Was having issues with ED and Peronis, and I wanted to get the help to satisfy my wife at the time. Yes. Before I came to the clinic, I was lucky to get a half erection, maybe three quarters, but not hard enough to actually penetrate, and it's just driving me nuts. They were really great. They made me feel at ease at home, part of the family, and it was great. I noticed the results and improvements were 100%. Um, it was great. I went from kind of having an erection to a full erection and able to penetrate with my wife, and it's been great. The amount of time and results, I would say by about the third session, and after that, it just got better and better. I would rate the care and focus excellent. I can get in touch with them anytime I want and have my questions answered. Sorry. Recommending my friends, yes, I would recommend Focuswave for sure.